Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. You're watching my YouTube channel, Bulgari Kitchen. And in today, Bulgari Kitchen, I'm going to make some egg masala curry. I hope you will like this dish. This is only a request from some of my viewers that please can you make this dish for us. So I'm going to make egg masala curry in my kitchen today. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen always. Do share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments in the end. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. So viewers, in Bulgari Kitchen, I prepare all the ingredients for egg masala curry. So I'm going to show you what are the ingredients need for the egg masala curry. So keep watching all the ingredients. Here I boil already 5 pieces egg, sliced onion, chopped tomato, cooking oil, coriander leaves, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, water, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, green chili, garlic powder, some julienne ginger for garnish. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Here I have already placed a pan which is hot. I'm going to add cooking oil. First ingredients, I'm going to put onion. Saute the onion until golden brown. It's time to add garlic. Add ginger as well. Saute together with the onion. Keep stirring with ginger garlic. Now it's time to add our spices. Some garlic powder, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, green chili, salt. Mix together all. Add little water and mix the masala all together. Now it's time to add tomatoes. Add some water. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. You can add the cover so it will cook more faster. Now it's time to add the egg which we already boiled. I'm going to add in the sauce and then cook for another 5 to 10 minutes to thick the sauce. So viewers, our egg masala curry is almost ready. Another 1 minute. We're going to switch off the flame and then we're going to dish out. And you can serve with this one with steamed rice or paratha naan bread. Almost is ready. I'm going to switch off the flame. Egg masala curry is ready. I'm going to dish out. Let's put here egg. Look at this, beautiful. And then we're going to add the masala. Garnish some corianders. And some ginger. So viewers, egg masala curry is ready. So viewers, our egg masala curry is ready. This looks delicious, looks amazing, looks beautiful. I'm going to taste this one. I'm going to taste. Let me taste some. It's delicious, super delicious I can say, and very nice with this thin rice. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for next coming videos. Subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Have a great day.